Get him out of there.
It has to be him.
Yeah, it's him.
See if you get him out.
Hold the camera. You got a rock. Here?
What happened?
You got a rock.
No, I did not get a rock because you can feel it. You can feel him moving.
No.
You think it's a rock? Doesn't matter if you break it. Go ahead. Fix the drag? Or are you gonna just yank it?
Here, a piece of cloth.
How gloves? Get my gloves.
Can you get the gloves? Oh, it's a fish. It's coming out.
Told you, bro. There's a catfish.
He wanted me to grab it with my hands. No! He's gonna come back. He's gonna come back. Watch. Get back. Get back.
Look at shit, dude.
He's nesting.
Holy shit, it's like a foot power.
More action than what we got over there, bro. Who said we need to go so far to fish?
Oh, get back out, man. It was nice too. It was
Yeah.
like, had a purpose. What the fuck is that? That's the mine.
Cichlid.
Chicklet or whatever?
Chiclet, man. Let's go! It smells like something died.
That was the one that I folded. Huh?
It smells like something died. Mío, la mierda esa se tragó eso hasta... Bro, I knew it. I saw it, bro. I saw it and I'm like, oh shit. Fuck, I'm not gonna touch his mouth.
No te me vayas, no te me vayas. Like, you get it out, you get it out. There you go.
Have a pair of pliers?
Yeah. Una foto con sonrisa, para el sol. Holy shit, I was epic. That was fucking epic.
Man, I'm telling you that. Olvídate ahí tan lejos, bro. Hialeah, Aguafango y Factoría. Los pescados estos no saben lo que es. Carnada buena, seres.
Yo. Walk up. You already heard the noise.
Oh my god. Holy shit, there was a bigger one. It was a bigger one, Javi. Like double the size of the one that I just got. No! No, don't tell me I lost it. Bro, it was huge. And there's another one. Que ahorita, ten cuidado ahí. This is the one que ahorita, ¿te acuerdas la primera vez?
She had a nice fish. Hold it with both hands. Damn! That shit looks nice.
Woo! I don't know, you want a picture with it?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I want to take a picture with it. I'm like taking pictures with meows.
Alright, so funny story about that last fish. I was actually started recording because I spotted the fish. I started recording and see if I could catch it. And woof! And I cast about I cast about 4 times with the camera on. And I'm like, you know what? Forget it. He's not gonna bite. So I turned off the camera. Literally, the next cast that I threw at it, he just went right after it. So I couldn't catch it completely on film, but I think I turned on the camera right on time to catch the rest of it. Like if you want, we could fish here, and then when we walk back, and then we walk back, it's up to you. That was definitely unnecessary.
What did he end up going? Like 50, 60 maybe?
He was going like 40 miles per hour. What a guy. Cogiste algo? ¿Ves piedra? No, because you want to overcast, so when you're reeling in, you know, your lure's already in the spot you want to be set once you're passing that hit spot, you know?
Makes sense. I don't know. I feel like we're still doing this kind of too far.
Because like if I throw this lure right there, let's say if the fish is there and I throw it on him, it might scare him away or... It's fine.
Huh?
No, it's fine. Let me see what you got. Nice.
Huh?
You're fine. Is it? Take a picture.
Yeah, use my phone.
Oh my! Imagine you throw your pliers.
Yeah, shit went under. Five seconds.
Solid, bro.